Hi, guys. This is Dr. Karen Walker, and I'm going to be taking a few moments to tell you about a technology called truSculptiD. For a number of years, patients have been asking our dermatologists if non invasive body contouring works and if they are candidates. We began to recognize that patients are concerned about stubborn areas of fat deposition that have not responded to exercise and diet or that have worsened with slowing metabolism. In our country, the average BMI has increased almost 15% in the past 15 years. It's presumed that our westernized diet and more sedentary jobs are two of the major causes. Our practice is very excited to offer truSculptID to our patients. This device is a radiofrequency treatment that eliminates fat cells through lipolysis, reduces volume or inches, reduces cellulite, tightens skin, and has very few treatment limitations. truSculptID is a monopolar radiofrequency device. Through years of development, Cutera has perfected the delivery of energy and heat so that the average truSculptID treatment results in 24% fat reduction. Each handpiece is delivering energy to increase the temperature of the skin to 43 degrees Celsius and the fat to 3 to 4 degrees higher than that. Like Tesla's autopilot or like a thermostat in your house, the device is adding and subtracting energy to maintain the effective temperature during your treatment. The device has up to 6 hand pieces that can be used simultaneously. This allows our technician to personalize your treatment based on your anatomy. Even treatment of more than one area in the same session is possible. The treatment time for up to 6 hand pieces is still just 15 minutes. Earlier generation devices to eliminate fat had a number of disadvantages compared to truSculptID. In short, they are generally less effective and more painful. As you can see in this photo, truSculpt handpieces are gently secured to the skin. The handpieces heat like a very hot stone massage for 15 minutes. Afterward, the skin will appear red for a few hours. So guys, let's take a look at some before and after photos. This is a photo of treatment on the back, and you can clearly see where in that mid-back area the handpieces were placed. And 12 weeks after that single treatment, they're excellent results. This is a person who really is at ideal body weight to begin with, but even with a single treatment of a person who was really very slender to begin with, you can see definition at the waist and decreased love handles. This is a treatment under the chin, which we call the submental area. Now, this area is an exception to the single treatment approach. Under the chin, we do counsel patients that 2 to 3 treatments will be needed. And that's because the handpiece is a smaller handpiece that actually has half the energy of the handpieces that are used on the other areas of the body. But you can still see that with 2 treatments here, she has excellent results. And this patient, which we have found is true with our patients as well, even after 1 treatment, even though maximum results have not been achieved, that significant improvement is still visible. This is a gentleman where you can clearly see, volume loss and loss of inches after a single treatment. This is a patient who you can tell based on her scars had previous surgical liposuction, but opted for a non-surgical approach with excellent results with truSculpt. And again, this is really substantial improvement 12 weeks after a single treatment with 12 handpieces on this treatment. I really like this before and after because it really does highlight the improvement in texture and decreased laxity with the use of truSculptID. So definitely this gentleman has reduction of volume in inches, reduction of fat deposits, but definitely improvement in skin tightening. This woman also with reduction of volume in the stomach with that fat destruction.
If you have interest in truSculptiD, we are offering free consultations with our laser technician, Stacy Barton, now through April the 1st. If you choose to book your treatment after consultation, we will give you 15% off one treatment and a complimentary SkinCeuticals Body Tightening Concentrate. Give us a call at 205-345-1520, or you may text us through our website at alabamaderm.com. Thank you so much for your time, and have a great day.